Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable Steam friend notifications. I'll show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Steam, click on this Steam tab and select settings. On left side select notifications. On right side under the friend notifications, choose to show a notification, toast, play a sound or both. You just need to toggle this to off position, all of these. After turning off all of these, and that's all you have to do it guys. Now we have disabled Steam friend notifications. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.